Look at this cute crochet heart. You can use it as a keychain, add to your cardigan, or even to decorate your gifts. And the best part is, it's super easy. So let's make it. So first, let's make a magic ring. For magic ring, I'm holding the tail with thumb and ring finger. Then make a cross like this. Now insert your hook, pull up a loop, turn it around, and then chain 1. So this is our magic ring. And now we will work chain 3. After chain 3, let's work 15 double crochet into this ring. For double crochet, yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. So this is our double crochet. Now let's work 15 double crochet into this ring. So 15 double crochet is complete. Now pull the tail and close the ring. Pull it tightly. So the center of our heart is complete. To close this row, we will work 1 slip stitch in between chain 3 and our first double crochet. To this, we will insert our hook and work 1 slip stitch. So the center part of the heart is complete. Now we will begin the second row in which we will shape the heart. So first we will work chain 2, and then in the same space we will work 1 double crochet into this space. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook, and then work 1 double crochet. So now we will make 4 treble crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over your hook twice, then insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over the first 2, yarn over, pull through middle 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. So this is our treble crochet, and now we will work 3 more treble crochet into the same space stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Like this, work 2 more treble crochets. So these 4 treble crochets will create the raised curve on the left side of the heart's shape. Let's continue working on treble crochets, and now we will work 2 double crochet into next stitch. And now we will work 4 half double crochet into next 1, 2, 3 and 4 stitches. For half double crochet, yarn over your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Now let's complete these 4 half double crochet stitches. And the left side of the heart is complete. Now we will work on the bottom of the heart, which is the center of our circle. So first we will work 1 double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then 1 treble crochet into the same stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3. Then 1 half double crochet again into the same stitch. Pull through 2, pull through 2. So this will make the clear edge for the heart. So left side of the heart is complete. Now we will work the same pattern on the right side to complete the shape of the heart. So insert your hook, then let's start working on the right side of the heart. So first we will work 4 half double crochets. Now we will work 2 double crochets. 1, then 2. And now 4 treble crochets into same space. Now after 4 treble crochet, we will work 1 double crochet. Now let's do into the same chain space 1 slip stitch, then chain 1, and then cut this tail off. So our heart is ready. Just give it a good shape. And just like that, your adorable crochet heart is ready. So simple and so beautiful, right? If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy and creative crochet ideas. And tell me in the comments, what should I make next?